Hello, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to get to the electronic library for Minnesota. And as long as you are logging in from a Minnesota IP address, you have free access to all of these databases. So to get there, in Blackboard, navigate to Workshops and Resources. And then if you look on the left side menu, you want to go down to where it says Media Center. So you have to scroll down just a little bit, but there it is. There are lots of resources here in the Media Center, and I invite you to browse around. The one we are going to look at today, though, is here, the Electronic Library for Minnesota. Click on that, and then to access the electronic library, click on this link right here. It's elibrarymn.org. And as I said, as long as you are logging in from Minnesota, you should have free access to all of these. If you do have problems, please make sure to contact me, Mrs. Breidenbach, by emailing or texting, and you can get all my contact information when you're logged into your class. So to get to the database that we will use for Myths and Legends for the Ancient Research Project, Ancient Cultures Research Project, I should say, you want to click on here where it says All Resources, and then click on G. The database we're going to be using for this particular project is this one, Galen Context High School. Click on that. And again, all of these should just open for you without any username or password. And let's say that you have chosen to research ancient Egypt. You type that in the search bar. And here's the cool thing about the online databases. At your fingertips, you're going to have tons of information. On this page, you've got featured content. There's 6 of those, 54 reference materials, 270 magazines, and even some recommended websites. This is great because all of this has already been reviewed and vetted for you. You don't have to worry about whether this is reliable information or not. Someone's already taken care of that for you. So these are all things that have been published elsewhere, have been edited and reviewed, so you know you can trust them. Here's the other cool thing about working within this online database. Let's say that, wow, ancient Egyptian contributions to science. That sounds like something that I might want to use. So when you click on that article, first off, you have multiple ways to save this. So since we use Microsoft OneDrive at our school, you see you can send the article or the resource directly to your OneDrive and save it there. You can email it to yourself, you can download and save it to your computer, or you can even print it out. So multiple ways to check out or save a copy of a resource that you find. But here's the other really cool point. If you go up here where it says Cite, looks like little quotation marks, click on that. And you should have a pop-up that comes in, and it's just set default to MLA. That is the citation method that we use in this class. And then you can just copy and paste. It's got the citation there prepared for you. It's correct. You don't have to worry about putting it together. Just make sure that you save it. And again, you can send this to OneDrive, you can print it out on a Word document, but make sure any of the sources you use, make sure you grab the citation for it. And that's it. So for the week 4 assignment, make sure you go into this database and find at least 5 different sources that will help you on your Ancient Cultures Research Project. And as always, if you have questions, please let me know. Mrs. Breidenbach.